Nitro Grinders. How do you grind? Pull off awesome tricks with the flick of a finger. Nitro Grinders are easy to use, but hard to master. Think you've mastered the flick? Ramp up the difficulty. You can trick out with over 56 different Nitro Grinders. Nitro Grinders. Rip it. Trick it. Stick it. Nitro Grinders sets and ramps, each sold separately.